Guyson, a leader and innovator in the metal finishing industry. Known for being first in creating advanced grit blast, wet blast, and shot peening systems for manufacturers around the world. Now we bring our latest innovation to one of our more modest machines. Meet the Guyson RXS 400 heavy-duty automated blast machine. Guyson has taken their highly productive automated RXS 400 and bulked it up to the heavyweight class. Safety features include a light shield that will shut down the blast process if the beam is broken. We replace the lightweight vertical lift door with a dual-sided heavy-duty horizontal door that turns on a center bearing. Each door side supports an arm that can handle an 86-pound part. Once inside the blast chamber, a hold-down can be pneumatically lowered from the cabinet ceiling to steady the part during the blasting process. Unique to this system is the capability for a multi-directional traversing gun. This allows the blast guns to move left to right and up and down, each of which gives this machine unprecedented flexibility. We close the vertical gap where the gun travels with an innovative belt that seals the opening except where the gun post penetrates the cabinet. The electronics are tested and certified for market acceptance. If you're a manufacturer of heavy parts that need to have a cosmetic finish or prepped for coating, the Guyson RXS 400 Heavy Duty is a high-production workhorse that can serve your needs. Guyson Corporation, delivering value and performance beyond expectations. Go to Guyson.com for more information.